Mahatma Gandhi University Kabadon Hakalai Mer Tamil Kuchi Riboy District Haka Jinge Trelang Batka Blood Center Jongka Nongpo Civil Hospital Batka Meghalaya State Blood Transfusion Council Kala Pynlong Yaka Free Medical Camp Batka Voluntary Blood Donation Camp Menta Kasngi ha ketika school ba lengba kenika health camp ki pait ba abat ki khna pule ki layo ya ki lat ban pet benya ya ka koch ka khia halor ki jingpang ba pher da ki doctor ki batbin shu lengba ka Voluntary Blood Donation Camp ka Mahatma Gandhi University kala shem ya ka sinjam ban pensluri ki pait ba bat ki samla bakin as ngo bha ya ka snam jongki khnang ba onla ban penon kami ban ai ki jing yarap ya ki badon kam kerki ha ki hospital ba pher ha kenika program kabalane asngi lasaki ya ka jingwan ye shimanta u officer in charge ka Bornihat Police Station u Rubul Ali u rangba snonga khat laimer tamul kushi u Dr. Peter yang in charge ka Blood Center Nongpo Civil Hospital u Dr. Sagar O Manjare Vice Chancellor ka Mahatma Gandhi University ka Professor Champa Burman Registrar in charge ka Dr. Goswami Moirang Them Principal jong ka Nursing Department lembat ki samla pule jong ka teka school ba
ya kani kasni lighter June ana ja April ni wan ya kalian jongka blood bank jongka sekolah sudah mampu wan le kani ka blood donation camp ka organizer kani ka Mahatma Gandhi University te ni wa ban ai kuble yaki ba kila yang subhai ni bat kila ai ka support jongki yani wan le kani ka blood donation camp ke ni ai kuble shibun ta ki bonus baru kai balawan khmat ha kani kasni benta kasni ki brio ki bawan khmat ban aisnam yo aku arut te tangba ki don prek juki ki bana snam ki don ki ba don ki jiksom ki ne butai ki kan yo ban shimi barot ni la yo arut ne ki arut ne la yo khat arut ban shimi snam te ni ai play ki ba ni kenturu ki weiru ba kin wan khmat ban ya wan ai snam jengki makanya kan yarap ya pun kam hang ni Hariboy district ni lap ni na kaliang jong blood center bagi juna ha ki brio ki bawan ai ka snam jengki mo bagi ong kita ki voluntary blood donors ki ai mon sung hai ka snam ki juna ha ban man ka for long ni ju Pynlong ni ki blood donation camp ni keleng ila Pynlong tangba ni shigyo duna ba ki donors tenga tepat ki brio kinu ki container shinrang ba kras nam shineng ladapi don kemet ke pokok bakia ladapi biang ke senam don kenu justom bila banwan shikmat banwan ai ke senam ladagi mon hagi ki camp hiwan hate blood center juni hanong po civil hospital kenu ke sni ke ba nanga don ru nila kan chime ke senam jompi de na kerpat di prokai berarti wan shikmat bertunjuk itu ki bala ai senam hagi ke sni bakin you lang kiweiru bakin wan shikmat ban ai snam juki knang bikila ban ya rap ki nongpang kiba dinasnam kiba don kam ya snam ma balong ka life saving procedure ka life saving ban ya rap ki na marketing tek tam ki nongkha kibon ha ki dinasnam bat ha to ka por ba ki kha ki ju the bun snam ta kadau ki don kam snam kerki ka por ban nada nimdan ya ka snam ka blood bank jini nimla ken ban ai kerki ka snam ta kadau ka dangi ladon stok ka blood bank jini ke maka kuno ka por steng miet na kuno ka por ki wan ro ne la ban ai ka snam ya ta kadau ni tempat ba la ban ki mon chakmat nam ni yo ban ya rap ki ni sim ka don kam tan ki ki
today I donated blood and it was quite good, and I thank the people from the Civil Hospital Nopo for giving us this opportunity to help the needy people. And I do encourage you all, my friends, that it's okay to do it at least once or twice, and if you feel like doing it more, then that's more better for the society at all. Encourage the youth of the society to help the needy people. Encourage the youth to step into the noble cause to help the needy people of the society.
We have a University organize free medical camp kebaladon kuwas pawut ki specialist kebalawan free medical camp kaji onong tadi nak mentaji nak school kebadan hang bagi nak pulih kebadan satu university tuju mentaga sini sungu bakadon kan blood donation program belong rukum kawai kelat keban i kaji pulih kum kajalahi berkawai sebagai naik belai ke civil hospital bakala Pynlong ye kani batumju collaboration bat kata Mahatma Gandhi University ki NNS volunteer ki bala ai donate ka blood chunki kani le se kade kuwe kalat ke bapen i se kata thehi bar kuwe ye kata gachuni ya gari bat ka chantu bar kuwe then soban kan khadu kumne your small act of kindness can save the life of the needy people. Thank you.
This is principal department of nursing of Mahatma Gandhi University. So today I have donated my blood. It's not an act. So I'm very happy because I have donated my blood. So I can save the life of someone who is fighting heat in the life, and that's. Thank you.
Today I am very happy that I am donating my blood for the society, for the needy person. I am feeling very proud that my university student, Mahatma Gandhi University Meghalaya students also realize the responsibility toward the society, and this blood donation camp definitely saved the lives of a lot of needy peoples, and I hope this is a continuous practice for the Mahatma Gandhi University Meghalaya. Thank you very much.